Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing good. Here is the part 2 of Amsham dance tutorial. So the next set of steps are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for that you should lock your hands like this. Like this you have to join it and then bring it to your right hip. Okay, then from here take your hands to the left side of your face. Your hands should be in the eye level and then just bend your left wrist and just lay your head on it. Okay. So from here, your hands will go up there. Okay. So while doing it, you should also lift your hips a bit. Okay. So your right hip should be lifted a bit. For that, you can just lift your right heel so that your hips will be lifted along with it. Okay. Only this much. Then keep your hands there, and when you take it to your left side you have to bend your knees and sit down. Okay, at the same time you can also tilt your hips to the left like this. Your knees should be bent like this. Okay, then 1 and 2. Let's do it again. 5 6 7 8. 1 and 2. Then after that 3 and 4. Okay, so for that you can just move to the left side. Okay, in the same way your knees should be bent too. Just move to the left side and your hands will go from there to this. Okay, like you're hiding your face. Okay, you should do it while you're bent down to the left side. So it will go 1 2, then 3 and 4. Okay, then after that 5 6. So for that, you from the left you can come back to the center and just tilt your body to the right. Okay, and your hands will go from this to this, like you're showing, like you're sleeping in a sleeping position. Okay, so from there just bring your hand to the right side and lay your head on it like this. And your knees should be bent too. Okay, so from the left side you have to just stand up and come back to the center and sit like this. Okay, I hope you got it. Then after that 7 8. Okay, so for that from here you should take your left hand to the left side of your face and your right will go in this position. Okay, and you have to fully sit down. Okay, I'll show it again. Your legs from this bend down position, your left will go back and you have to sit down fully. So your left will be rested on the floor and right will be lifted up. Right knee will be lifted up and your hands in this position. Okay, so let's do it again from here. 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then after that 1 2. So for that your left hand will go from here to this dola. Just rest your hand there, and your right from the left upper corner you will bring it down diagonally to the lower right corner. Okay, so from here your right hand will go there and this mudra. Okay, from left to right. Now let us do it again from here. Okay, 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then 1 2. Then next step 3 and 4. You have to just stand up in that 3 and 4th count. Then 5 6 and 7 8. Okay, so for that your left hand will be in the same position and your left leg will be extended out, and your right hand from up you will bring it down in this mudra. Okay, so while doing that you can also bend your knees. While you bring your hand down you can also bend your knees along with it. Okay, so 1 2. Okay, with legs 1 2. Then 3 4. So for that your hands from here bring it together and just hold it in this mudra. So bring together and open. Okay, and your left leg will come back and your right will be extended out. Okay, so from here you will go like this. I hope it's clear. Let's do it again from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us do it again from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's turn back and do it from the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and spin. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The slight disturbance is from the rain, so please ignore it. The mirrored version of the entire choreography in 2 speeds, that is the normal speed and 0.7x speed, is already uploaded on my YouTube shorts. I didn't include it here due to copyright issues. So if you want to practice it with the song, do check it out. So that's it for today. See you in the next part. Bye.